This video is going to look at GoSoapbox and how you can use it with your blended learning. So this example I used with the learning target ThinkWinWin for our lead groups. And I was looking for a strategy of interactive video. And the way this strategy works is you don't show a video in its entirety, but you'll show a piece of that video and check for understanding or make a prediction about what's coming up. So I pulled 2 videos on YouTube that supported the ThinkWinWin, and I set up an event in GoSoapbox. So this event had a short quiz just to review what we'd covered the previous week with the 5 paradigms of human interaction. It was self-grading, and it kind of introduced the lesson to what we were focused on this week. I had my questions set up as discussion questions, and then I would pull up a video and I would play it to a certain part, pause the video, and then come back to GoSoapbox and unlock a question. That question would display on the students' screens. They would answer that question, submit it, and then I would have this question up on the smartboard so that we could check on the replies, and those that were on target we would discuss, and those that were off target we would also discuss. And after a certain amount of time I would lock that question so it would be removed from the student screen, and we would play the video a little bit farther, and then we would come up with the next question. I would unlock it, and this way they wouldn't have multiple questions on their screen and then get lost or confused of where they needed to answer. Lock down the question, play the video, unlock the next question, and each time I would play a question, I would go into that question and show those responses on the smartboard. We'd have a discussion. So through this interactive video strategy and using this tool of ThinkWinWin, or this tool of GoSoapbox, we covered that learning target of ThinkWinWin. And that's how you can pull all this together in a blended learning style.